Hello, this is Mrs. Tempest, and we are going to be reading our book for States of Matter. 3 states of matter. There are 3 states of matter. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. All matter on Earth is either a solid, liquid, or gas. Solids have their own shape and size. A tree is an example of a solid. If you wanted to change the shape or size of a tree, you would need to cut it down. Liquids do not have their own shape. Liquids take the shape of whatever container they're in. Liquids can flow, be poured, or spilled. Water is an example of a liquid. Water is in the shape of the cup it is in. Water can be poured or spilled. Gases have no shape, size, or color. Gases are all around us. The air you breathe is a gas. You can feel gas when the wind blows. Sometimes states of matter can change. A snowball is a solid. If you brought a snowball inside the house, it would melt into a liquid. The state of matter changed. Water is a liquid. If you heat water, it starts to boil and steam. Steam is a gas. The state of matter changed. A cloud is a gas. If a cloud gets too heavy, it starts to rain. Rain is a liquid. The state of matter changed. Water is a liquid. If you pour water into an ice cube tray and put it into the freezer, it becomes ice. Ice is a solid. The state of matter changed. It is important to understand the states of matter so you can understand the world around you.